guys, welcome to the vlog. So I have with me baby Lucas. We are headed to the park. We are going to have a barbecue. So we're going for a barbecue. We got our food and stuff in our bag. We're headed out to the park. It's just me and my two boys and my brother. So we're headed to the park. It's super sunny out. It's almost 4 in the afternoon, so we're headed to the park for a barbecue. Get some more exercise in with, walking and make some more vlogs and stuff. So perfect opportunity to make more vlogs. It is windy as well. It's hot but windy. So we're headed out. I hummed and hawed about bringing a Reborn, and I thought, no, bring one. Opportunity to make vlogs. I had the strangest dream last night. My granddad came back to me. He told me some useful information. It's funny because he's been gone for quite a while now. So yeah, he came in my dream and told me some stuff, and it was sad, but useful at the same time. Like, what he said to me was useful, but was sad. Losing heat today. Losing heat funny. Fixing it up. Funny. Not very good at doing things one-handed. It's so funny. Steve's in there. But he's funny with him. It's super windy. So we're headed to the shop to get some patties, onion. That's gonna be a simple barbecue. Maybe a flash barbecue. We're gonna get some patties and a loaf of bread. My son's scooting away ahead. Scooting away, leaving me for dust. have to be careful when they go out and about. They don't generally go out nowadays without me because of the bullying that they've received. At first it was just verbal, and they dealt with it. But when it started to become physical, that's when I stepped in and said, well, you just can't go out without me. So, they don't go out without me nowadays. I'm alright going down. Going back up is the hardest bit, where usually, I just have to take breaks and I stop and sit down. Our town is like full of hills. But that's not to say I can't do it, and I'm not going to do it. I can do it, and I do it. I just finished playing cards today with my mom. We played Uno today. We changed it up. Normally we play Coon Castle, but we played Uno today. It was interesting. Played Uno Flip. Not really a fan of Uno Flip, but My baby Luke is my future boy. I have to rebrush his hair. It's like all over the place. His hair is like all over the place. I have to rebrush it. But, I mean, it's nice. Don't get me wrong. I love how the wind is. It's nice, but I thought I'd bring Cass with me. Now, but fortunately, the only chances I get to go out and about are to the to my dad's treatment. I go out with my dad to appointments, things, and well, my dad's not keen on adults, and my husband is okay with adults, but not if he's in the same vicinity with my dog. So because they're not exactly keen on my dogs, I can't take them out anywhere where I'm going with them. So. And I don't get to go places without them. Which is a shame, but I took it the one day with them, and then it was okay, but they weren't really okay with it, and they just let me know that don't bring them again. So I haven't been able to bring them. If I lived in the city, I'd be out all the time. I'd take the reborns out in the brown. I'd be out all the time. You'd never see me home. I'd be wandering around, just window shopping, just making vlogs. I'd be in my element. But fortunately, I was rural, and all I got is the park to go to. That's it. Oh guys, I'm gonna end this vlog because we are down the road. I will do more vlogs at the park. See you at the park. Bye guys, thanks for watching. As always, comment, like, subscribe. Bye.